Hi, my name is Khadija, but you can call me Khadi. I'm your business partner, your Amazon seller virtual assistant. Today, we will talk about the 3 effective model in finding product for your Amazon shop account. In this video, you will learn what is the difference of these 3 models, for you to decide what type of Amazon shop account that you want to choose before taking action. Without further ado, here are the 3 Amazon product research model. Throughout this video, we will learn the difference and better product research that work for you. First in the list is the online arbitrage. Second in the list is private label. And lastly, the wholesale product research model. I'll give an overview of these 3 models. Let's start talking about online arbitrage first. Well, what do you think? Let's explain first. What is the meaning of online arbitrage? Online arbitrage is the process of buying products from online retailers with the sole intention of reselling those products at a higher price for a profit on another online marketplace such as Amazon, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. Are you wondering how it works and how to start? The process of online arbitrage is simple. Here are the steps you should take. First, search for discounted or clearance products on an online retail store such as Target.com or Walmart.com. Second, look up the same products on Amazon. Third, purchase the products that sell for a higher price on Amazon. And lastly, wait for the products to arrive at your home, list them for sale on Amazon immediately via FBM or repackage and ship your inventory to FBA. Now let's start talking about the pros and cons of online arbitrage. Online arbitrage is a unique and resourceful way to source products to resell on Amazon, but that doesn't mean there aren't any downsides to it. Let's go over the pros and cons of online arbitrage. Here are 5 benefits of online arbitrage. The most significant advantage of online arbitrage is that you can source profitable products from the comfort of your own home or anywhere. No more driving to and from multiple retail stores, standing in lines, and wasting energy. If you are a beginner, online arbitrage is one of the best ways to get started as a seller. Unlike private label, for which you need to invest thousands of dollars upfront, you can start with as much or as little as you want with online arbitrage. And since the store delivers products to your home or location, items arrive safely packaged with bubble wrap, packing paper, and other materials that you can reuse. You can even ship your inventory to FBA with the box you receive your order in. With online arbitrage, the possibilities are endless. There are thousands of online retail stores where you can find profitable inventory to resell on Amazon. You won't be limited to the brick and mortar stores in your area as with retail arbitrage. You can buy in larger quantities. If you find a great deal online, you can typically purchase much more inventory from a retail site versus in-store. Stores only have so much stock available, and some may even limit the amount you can purchase. Here are a few of the drawbacks of online arbitrage. Since anyone can shop on the same websites from anywhere, there's room for more competition when sourcing inventory online. You're up against more resellers shopping for products online than resellers shopping at physical stores in your area. Trying to find good deals may take up time. Online arbitrage consists of a lot of back and forth between a retail site and Amazon when you're comparing prices. And with so many websites to choose from, you have thousands of potential products to analyze. For retail arbitrage, there are Amazon seller scanner apps available that automatically show you your potential profit with a product. Yes, there are tools to help sellers with online arbitrage, but they're not as accessible or easy to use, plus you have to purchase most of them. I know another question again is how to get started with online arbitrage. You don't need much, just an internet connection, an Amazon seller account, and a couple of free tools to get started. You can purchase online arbitrage tools to help you source products more efficiently, but if you are on a limited budget, they're not necessary. An essential factor to succeed in online arbitrage is to purchase products that will profit on Amazon. Here are the tools to help you get started, and the types of products that you can resell on Amazon. I'll create separate videos on how to become an Amazon seller in wholesale and private label model. Just send me an email, and let's connect in LinkedIn for further help in your Amazon seller account.